Welcome everyone. We are discussing maximum and minimum value. Today I will consider some problems of maximum and minimum value. So problem number 1. Simplest problem but important for competitive exam also. At what point the slope of y equals to this is maximum? Also find maximum slope. So curve is given y equals to minus x cube plus 3x square plus 9x minus 27. Now you know slope is m, that is dy by dx. Slope to be maximum. So m equals to dy dx minus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Now this is m. For maximize or minimize slope, you have to take first derivative. So dm by dx equals to minus 6x plus 6 and d square m dx square equals to minus 6. Now for maximum or minimum slope, first derivative equals to 0. dm dx equals to 0 gives x equals to 1. Now double derivative COT test d square m dx square add x equals to 1 equals to minus 6 less than 0. So what is m? m is maximum when x equals to 1. So at what point slope is maximum? So point means x comma y. So if x equals to 1, what is y? Y is 1 whole cube, that is minus 1 plus 3 plus 9 minus 27. So 1 comma minus 28 plus 12. So point is 1 comma minus 16. So you are getting the point. At what point? So point is 1 comma minus 16. Now what is maximum slope? Maximum slope is obtained by putting value of x at m. So m at x equals to 1 minus 3 plus 6 plus 9. So 15 minus 3, this is 12. Maximum slope is 12. So only you need idea what is slope. Slope is first derivative dy by dx. Now problem number 2 and 3. They are of same type. So y equals to, but fx equals to, problem number 2, x to the power 4 minus 64x square plus ax plus 9. So f dash x, 4x cube minus 28, 128x plus a. So fx attains maximum value on 0 to find a. So for maximum or minimum value, you know f dash x equals to 0. So fx attains maximum value at x equals to 1. You add it at x equals to 1 on 0 2. Find a. For maximum or minimum value, f dash x equals to 0. So it is maximum. So f dash 1 equals to 0. So point is given. It is maximum at x equals to 1. So what is f dash 1? So 4 minus f dash 1 equals to 4 minus 1 to 8 plus a equals to 0. So a equals to 1 to 4. A equals to 1 to 4. Now you may verify that f double dash x at x equals to 1 is less than 0. But here it is problem of competition, no need of verifying, because it is given that at x equals to 1 it is maximum. So this is a very simple problem. Now problem number 3. This is JEE main problem of 4 marks. As turning point at 2, minus 1. Turning point means turning point or stationary point. F dash x equals to 0 or dy dx equals to 0. So you find dy dx by cosine rule. So x minus 1, x minus 4 unchanged into a minus x minus b is unchanged. This is x square minus 5x. So 2x minus 5. X square minus 5x plus 4. So this is dy by dx. Now it is given that it has turning point at x equals to 2. So dy by dx equals to 0 at x equals to 2. Therefore, put x equals to 2. So 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4 into a. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4. And this is 2a minus b. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 5. And this whole square equals to 0. So right hand side is 0 and this is square term. So this is minus 2 into 1. So minus 2a. Minus 2a. Minus. And 4 minus 5, this is minus, this is plus. So 2a plus minus b equals to 0. So look, minus 2 into 1, minus 2a. This is minus plus. So we are getting 2a cancel, b equals to 0. So we are getting value of b. Now you have to find a also. So look, you need one more condition. The curve has turning point at 2, 1. Suppose this is 2, 1. At turning point at 2, 1. So that is 2, 1 lies on it. You have to use this condition. So the curve has turning point at 2, 1. So the point 2 minus 1 lies on the curve. Lies on the curve because it has turning point at this. So what is y? Y is minus 1. X is 2. So 2a minus b. So 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4. So this implies minus 1 equals to. We have got b equals to 0. So this is 1 and this is minus 2. So this is minus 2. So 2a equals to 2. So a equals to 1. So we are getting a equals to 1 and b equals to 0. So you are getting A and B. Turning point means dy dx equals to 0. And obviously the point P21 lies on the Now we consider two more problems of same type. Find minimum value of x to the power x and find maximum value of x to the power 1 by x. So problem number 4. Y equals to x to the power 4. So base and variable are function of x. So you know you have to take log on both sides. Log y equals to x log x. So 1 by y dy dx. So 1 and this is log x. X into 1 by x, log x into 1. So dy by dx, y into 1 plus log x. Now what is d2y dx 2? So this is dy by dx, 1 plus log x, and this is y into 1 by x. Now for maximum or minimum, here it is minimum, so for maximum or minimum, dy dx equals to 0. So y into 1 plus log x equals to 0. So y not equals to 0. So 1 plus log x equals to 0. So log x equals to 1. Obviously base is e. So x equals to e to the power 1. That is e. Now verify the value of double derivative at x equals to e. At x equals to e. dy dx 1 plus log e So look, this is wrong. 1 plus log x equals to 0. So log x equals to minus 1. Sorry. So x equals to e to the power minus 1. So you have to verify double derivative at x equals to 1 by e. dy by dx 1 plus log 1 by e. So what is y? X to the power x. So 1 by e whole to the power 1 by e into e. Now this part is 0. This is log 1 minus log e. So dy dx. So 1 log 1 minus log e, and this one is 1 by e whole to the power 1 by e into e. Now log e is 1. 1 1 0, log 1 is 0. So we are getting 0 plus positive number, that is greater than 0. So y is minimum. Now it is minimum value. Minimum value equals to x to the power. So 1 by e whole to the power 1 by e. So you are getting minimum value as 1 by e to the power 1 by e. Now you can also use a result. There is a result if y is maximum or minimum, then log y is also maximum or minimum value. So I will use this result to the next problem. So y equals to x to the power 1 by x. So power is a function, base also function. So you have to take log y. So 1 by x into log x. That is log x by log x. So you can take direct derivative as of earlier. But there is also result. What is result? If y is extreme, that is maximum or minimum, then log y is also extreme. So we are not taking 1 by y dy dx. So we are taking derivative of log y. This has new function. So this is x square. X into 1 by x. Log x into 1. So 1 minus log x by x square. Now d square, double derivative of log y. So this is x to the power 4. X square unchanged into minus 1 by x. Minus 1 minus log x unchanged into 2x. Now, d dx of log y equals to 0 implies 1 minus log x equals to 0. That is log x equals to 1. That is x equals to e to the power 1. That is e. X is e. The function may have maximum or minimum value at x equals to e. Now verify double derivative. D square log y by dx square at x equals to e. So this is e to the power 4, e square minus 1 by e. And this is log e, this is 0. So we are getting e square. So e square minus 1 by e cube less than 0. So what we are getting? Log y is maximum when x equals to e, and hence you must write this: y is maximum when x equals to e. So just like previous result, L is minimum or maximum, then L square is also maximum or minimum. So you are getting the point, x equals to e. So what is y maximum? So e to the power 1 by e. Put value of x at the given function, e to the power 1 by e. So today I have discussed 5 important but very simple problems of maximum and minimum value. So these are important for competitive exam also. So thank you for today.